barn find Ferrari 512 BB. How many Ferraris in the world are in this condition with the bird poop probably from the 80s, and then every one of these fins is covered in some kind of debris?
And then other things took over, including children, raising children, and now we have an opportunity to admire the car.
Look at that. Look at the little briefcase. This thing having a gated manual shifter with a dog box gear, so first gear is actually towards the rear. It's just so cool. The gauge cluster, everything is just set up towards the driver, and it's in kilometers too, which is kind of different. I don't think we've ever done any cars that have had that either. Right here on the clamshell,
we're just going to gently massage.
All right, so we have the front.
Wow.
Does it look like when you got it?
Oh my God.
More brilliant.